We are in the big great sanguinetti. In the big great
PNP will give you more. Step up with liberty. Step
We are in Sanguinetti, people, Sanguinetti.
Step up and wave your flag. Come step up and wave your flag. Step up, PNP, we don't come to play.
Step up for a better day.
Step up, come out to vote. Make sure you're on the winning boat. Step up, vote PNP. Progress Jamaica, progress.
Start here.
Step up and wave your flag. Come step up and wave your flag. Step up, PNP, we don't come to play. Step up to a far a better day. Step up, come out to vote. Make sure you're on the winning boat. Step up, vote PNP. Progress to Jamaica, progress to lead. The time come now,
And you still can be sure that
for the next 5 years, PNP will give you more. Step up with liberty. Step be at the head of the street. Step up, cause PNP man is the best.
no other party can ever compare. Stepping in there and making it right. Power.
Love and hearing.
Step up.
Hope and cheering.
Step up.
Sister B.
Progress. We have a member of parliament that believes in progress. That is why so much infrastructure has done during the course of the last 4 years in this constituency. We have a member of parliament that believes in progress. That is why so much educational assistance has been given in the last 4 years in this constituency. We have a member of parliament who believes in progress. That is why roads are fixed in this constituency.
Step up to a far a better day. Step up, come out to vote.
Make sure you're on the winning boat.
Step up, vote PNP. Progress to Jamaica, progress to we.
We must get rid of this corrupt government. We must get rid of Andrew Holness. Election night, I want to be the one to take Andrew Holness out of those 2 Range Rover. Hype boy Andrew, your days coming to an end. We must get rid of Andrew Holness. He is the leader and he has not done well with the corruption within the Jamaica Labour Party. We must send a strong message. We have a member of parliament who invests in education. We have a member of parliament who invests in social housing. We have a member of parliament who invests in farming. What more could Northwestern Clarendon need more than Richard as that?
Progress to Jamaica, progress to me.
Yes man, Andrew, very hype boy Andrew, your day is coming to an end. What Prime Minister would call a general election in the middle of a pandemic? Because he's power greedy and the Jamaican electorate must send a message and get rid of Andrew out of Jamaica House. Oh, and when we get rid of Andrew Holness, we're going to get rid of his wife. Because I know Comrade Gordon up there is doing very good things in St. Andrew. Step up and wave your flag. Welcome back to this Motocade. We started today in Tweedside, went through Peckham, went through Morant, Belmont, back Bloody Green, then came back to Ferron, went through Silence, went through Sanguinetti rather. Comrades, one and all, we must get every vote on election day to secure Richard Azan for the member of parliament for the next term and for the term after that and after that.
Step up and wave your flag. Come step up and wave your flag. Step up PNP, we don't come to play. Step up to a far better.
We are now in Whiteshop Square, Kenny Graham.
Make sure you're winning goal. Step up for PNP. Progress to Jamaica, progress to me.
PNP business sweet. Comrades, one and all, we must get rid of the deportee.
Come step up and wave your hat. Step up PNP, we don't come to play. Step up to a far better day. Step up, come out to goal.
Make sure you're doing it good.
Step up for PNP. Progress to Jamaica, progress to me.
We're talking about an MP that performed when them talk about Enriquez. Let me give you a little fact. Maxine Henry slapped him up in 2002 and sent him into early retirement.
As our economy starts see the light. Step up, love and caring. Step up, with hope and cheering. Step up with Sister P. Step up, progress for you and me.
Comrades, don't cuss the laborers when they comment for we post. Welcome them, make them see good messaging, make them say good nice music and good nice Motocade. And because then we is not none, because as it reach 5 o'clock you must be going in up. Because them very cold and cold. So them bored over the side, so make them come, make them watch.
Step up and wave your flag. Come step up
And wave your flag. Hey!
come to play. Step up to a far better day. Step up.
We are now driving on the carpet from Whiteshop to Reaches, done by Richard Azan.
Jamaica, progress to me.
Well run who fi run, Dana, run who fi run.
And yes, you can be sure that for the next 5 years, PNP will give you more.
We don't have a next man to do the job that Richard Azan has done in northwestern Clarendon. A man that has contributed significantly, not only to northwestern Clarendon, but they would have called this man Richard Azan the road man. Everywhere in Jamaica him find a place to put a road. Because we're full speed ahead, comrades. Full speed ahead. Well, them say me supposed to full speed ahead, but we still a say Peter full speed ahead.
One man gets and the people full speed ahead. Do your first time, the people full speed ahead.
Yeah man, we are big up Julian Robinson, you know, hard working general secretary of the party. And we also are big up the party leader, the most honorable, the most experienced man, the man that will lead Jamaica out of this corrupt government, the most honorable Dr. Peter David Phillips. We are big up Damian Crawford. We are big up Wickham McNeil. We are big up Philip Paulwell. We are big up Michael Phillips. We are big up Lisa Hanna. We are big up Peter Bunting. We are big up Dayton Campbell. And we still are big up Azan. Guys, give it up for the most honorable Dr. Peter Phillips. We were in Silent Hill yesterday, Mr. Mackenzie. We have been in Silent Hill 3 times since the election has been announced. Mr. Azan would have had many meetings at Walder's Run in Silent Hill. Means you are not in Silent Hill, but we have been in Silent Hill. Yesterday we would have blocked off Silent Hill. It took the motorcade 2 hours to get out of Silent Hill yesterday. Bigging up the 4 divisional leaders and the 2 councillor caretaker. Bigging up comrade division. Bigging up comrade Steve Williams, the caretaker for the Reaches division. Bigging up short boss over there in Thompson Town, comrade Shirley, who will kick out Colin Henry out of Thompson Town division. Bigging up comrade Hackett down there in Frankfield. Bigging up comrade Dixon. You guys would have not seen her on the camp. As I was saying, we were bigging up the divisional leaders, comrade Shirley, comrade Gordon, comrade Elvis Marshall, the sitting councillor, comrade Steve Williams, the councillor candidate for the Reaches division, and comrade Dixon. You would have not seen her on the campaign trail because of illnesses, but let us keep her in our prayers. For those who know Bridget, a very active woman in northwestern Clarendon, big up our campaign manager, Mrs. Natalie Walker Rose. And big up the entire campaign team of Northwestern Clarendon. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. Time to start your engine. Start your engine. Get in here! Make it forward! Full speed ahead! No! Full speed ahead! Push up full speed ahead! Yes! Full speed ahead! Push up full speed ahead! Well, comrades, it is raining, but whether rain or shine, comrade Azan will not leave the people. We are still out here in the rain because we must reach every vote. We must reach every person in this constituency, reminding them of the great contributions that Mr. Azan would have given to Northwestern Clarendon. We are now in Fairview. We are now in Fairview. Well, here ya! What I have the key to progress, peace, love, and unity. So make them rock down, rave and shout and love them, can't just follow me. go in front of Mr. Mayo.
Right now, we got Peter Phillips, Barwell, Mikel, William, Julian, we are very massive.
Get rid of them. Get rid of them. Get rid of them. Get rid of them.
Get rid of them. Get rid of them. Get rid of them. Get rid of them. Come talking about Indian bro God. What all he does.
You would have been able to sleep with our doors open. But now we not even can sleep with our room door open.
Oh, these men cheat beyond belief. It's like Alibaba
And the 40 thief.
rent the money when we educate the children. Don't contact the help money give to him girlfriend. I was right now, big up Peter Phillips, Barwell, Mikel, Wickham, Julian, and the entire victory massive. Get rid of them. 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 Come talking about Indian bro God. What all he does is like them brand. Say we could sleep with the door open that way he mad. Thousands of youth now in a body bag. Get rid of them. 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 Beyond belief, it's like Alibaba and the 40 thieves. Well, take the money when we educate the children. Don't contact the help money give to him girlfriend. We're gonna get rid of them. Get rid of them. Get them out. Get rid of them. Get rid of them. Work them out. Get rid of them. Put them out. Get rid of them. Work them out. Get rid of them. Shut them out. Get rid of them. Lord, look how them wrap up petrol jam. The pot gun empty when them done them. And as you benefit, let's